Hello friends, my name is Masood. Today we'll discuss about a topic waterfall approach. Friend, today's topic is very important and interesting with respect to software development and project management. So let's just start. First of all, I request to please subscribe to my channel, and you can also follow me on Facebook and Instagram as well. So friend, let's just start. Waterfall approach. Friend, waterfall approach is the was first SDLC model to be used widely in software engineering to ensure success of the project. The waterfall approach, the whole process of software development is divided into separate phases. In this waterfall model, typically the outcome of one phase acts as the input of the next phase sequentially. Friend, waterfall is basically approach of software development, and through which we can manage a project. This is the traditional approach of project management, in which we manage the project. We develop the software using the sequential manner, like we divide the work into separate phases, and input outcome of one phase will be considered as an input of the next phase. Other thing is that we cannot go back, like it is a sequential manner we work, and we cannot go back once the one phase completed and the next phase started. So you cannot go back in the previous stage. You have to complete that work in the current approach or current phase. Now friend, this is the traditional approach, and this is the waterfall model. You can see these are the phases. Whenever we receive a project from the management that we have to work, first of all we have to do the requirement analysis. Requirement analysis means that we have to understand that actually what customer want from us. Normally in this phase we develop the scope document. A scope document means that we define that what are the deliverable, what customer want from us, and what we are going to do for the customer. For example, if you are implementing e-commerce solution, so you have to list down all the requirements what actually customer want. Then the system design phase. System design phase means that in this phase we normally develop the functional specification document, which means that what are the components of the system. This is the technical phase. Basically, in this phase we define the technical specifications. We define that what are the components, what is the structure, what is the architecture of the system, how several components will be interacting with each other, and what is the process flow within different components. Then the actual implementation starts. Once the in this phase scope document finalize, in this phase the functional specification finalize, and in this phase the actual implementation starts, like the development and the coding, you can say, start. Once the development will finish, the testing phase will start. In this testing phase, one phase is the QA phase, quality assurance, which is normally done by the vendor. If you are implementing e-commerce solutions, so you have to do the QA, quality assurance, that all things are working as per the requirement. And then the other phase is the user acceptance testing, which is done by the customer. So QA and UAT both will be done in this phase. Once the user acceptance testing finalized and customer provide us the UAT sign off, then the next phase is the deployment. Deployment means that the system which you have developed, it will be deployed on the production. Production means the production hardware, software, it will be deployed on the production, and it will be visible, it will be accessible for the end users. After deployment, the maintenance will start. Normally we do the service level agreement in this phase. Maintenance means that once the system deployed on the production, whatever the issues are coming in the production, so the production support team will provide support for those issues and solve the issues on the regular basis. So this is the phase of maintenance. Remember friend, one thing, that in the waterfall model you can notice that you cannot go back in the previous stage. You can see it is a waterfall approach, like there here in this manner it is sequentially going in this phase. You cannot go back. So this is the approach of waterfall approach for software development to manage the project. So friend, thanks a lot for watching the video. I hope you like this video. If you like, please share it with your friends and colleagues, and thanks for watching the video. Thank you.